CNC routers under $1,000 have become compelling options for hobbyists, makers, and small workshops. They balance affordability with increasingly capable hardware, sturdy frames, 3-axis control, and software ecosystems that integrate with popular CAM tools. In this review, I test and compare 5 models from 5 brands: Wolfpawn, Genmitsu, sainsmart, ACMER, and twotrees across the price spectrum from budget to premium within the sub-$1,000 range.
Product number 1. CNC Router Machine. This Wolfpawn 4040 Pro delivers a solid all-metal build with a 400 by 400 by 75 millimeter workspace, a 500-watt spindle, and a mix of XY circular linear guides with Z-axis TR8 ball screw elements. It ships with a GRBL 1.1F control stack and supports common software like UGS, Candle, Lightburn, and Fusion 360. It emphasizes structural stability and a practical balance of price versus capability for woodworking tasks, with a dust baffle and an emergency stop-equipped control box. Prospective buyers get a compact, desktop-friendly size with a robust frame and straightforward assembly. In practice, the machine demonstrates reliable motion through 2 GT belt-driven XY axes and a robust linear guide for Z, enabling stable cuts at moderate feeds. The enclosure and dust management help keep work areas cleaner, which is especially valuable for hobbyists and small shops. The 4GB flash drive with installation videos is a nice onboarding touch for new users. However, while it handles acrylic and wood well, serious metalwork requires a higher-powered spindle or more rigid gantry. Users should temper expectations for heavy-duty aluminum or steel cutting at this price. Product number 2. Genmitsu Kubico CNC Router Machine with Enclosure. Genmitsu Kubico presents a ready-to-use desktop option with an enclosure and auto Z probing. It emphasizes plug-and-play usability, automatic material thickness awareness, and surface scanning for consistent carving depth. The enclosure reduces dust and noise and includes an auto-stop lid feature for safety. The 230-volt powered unit weighs about 23.4 pounds with a compact footprint, making it a compelling choice for beginners and education settings. Prospective buyers appreciate the integrated safety, surface measurement, and app ecosystem support. Performance-wise, Kubico shines in ease of use, allowing automatic tool height adjustment and surface calibration to deliver repeatable results with minimal setup. Its dedicated one-piece frame contributes to stability in light to moderate tasks, including polishing and detailed engraving. On the flip side, the machine's 9,000 RPM spindle and 0.5 mm per pass capabilities imply caution when pushing into hard metals. The emphasis remains on wood, acrylic, and soft metals. Software compatibility with Fusion 360, Easel, Candle, and Carveco offers flexible workflow, though true industrial throughput is not its core strength. Product number 3. sainsmart Genmitsu 4040 Pro Max CNC Router. The 4040 Pro Max combines a higher-powered 710-watt router with upgraded X and Z linear guideways for improved stability and precision. Its compact 400 by 400 by 78 millimeter working area is designed for detailed work on wood, metal, and acrylic, while maintaining a small footprint suitable for hobbyist shops. The integrated dust plate reduces particulate buildup and maintenance, signaling a design tailored toward longer-run reliability in a compact enclosure. Performance-wise, the upgraded linear rails and higher torque spindle enable more aggressive material removal while preserving surface finish, especially on smaller panels and intricate profiles. The compact form factor makes it appealing for those who want more capability without a larger footprint. However, the 710-watt spindle still sits below industrial-class machines. When milling metal alloys or demanding aluminum work, users should manage cut depths and cooling. Software compatibility remains GRBL-based, which provides familiar workflows but may limit some advanced CAM features. Product number 4, CNC Router Machine. Acmer's Ascarva 4S is a modular entry to mid-level machine that can upgrade its spindle from 70 watt to 500 watt, offering potential for higher power duty without replacing the entire machine. It features a 15.7 by 15.7 inch work area and a 24-volt spindle domain with a basic 70 watt standard and 120 watt total machine power specification. The device is designed for DIY enthusiasts who might scale up later, with a 3.5-inch touchscreen and multilingual interface to simplify operation. In practice, this model provides a flexible upgrade path and a robust chassis with adjustable tooling options. The 0.1mm precision claim on wood, planar, or acrylic surfaces is competitive for hobbyist prototyping, sign making, and educational settings. Product number 5. twotrees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router Machine with 3.5-inch touchscreen. twotrees' TTC 450 Pro targets versatility with a capacitive 3.5-inch touchscreen, a large 460 by 460 by 80 mm working area, and a 57-step high-precision Z-axis for accurate depth control. It ships with a comprehensive accessory kit and supports a broad software ecosystem: ArtCam, Fusion 360, Easel, Carvico Maker via GRBL control. The 4th axis ready control box, laser module port, and 500-watt spindle control port demonstrate a future-proof upgrade path for more complex projects. Performance-wise, the TTC 450 Pro balances stability with expansion potential. Its aluminum and stainless steel frame dampens vibration well for its size, enabling more consistent finishes across panel work and signage. The included spindle and toolkit broaden out out-of-the-box capability for woodworking and material experiments.